Hi guys, so the question is decode the ways. If I told you the whole question, like you have given let's explain it first. You have intercepted a secret message encoded as a string of numbers. The message is decoded with the following mapping. If the number is 1, then it means A. If the number is 2, it means B. If the number is 25, it means Y. If the number is 26, it means Z. So you can understand the string which is decoded. It is in the form of alphabet. You just connect the dots, you will get the alphabet or the character on that index of ABCD. However, while decoding the message, you realize there are many different ways you can decode the message, because some codes are contained in other codes. Like you have given 10, so it could be 1 or 0. Like you have given 11, so it could means A, or it could mean something else, like at the index of 11 what the value come, what value come, K come. Okay, so you have to understand how many combination can be formed by combining and separating string indexes, string values, like 1 1, or combining 1 1, it will be 11. So at 11 what will be the value, something like that. Okay, so how we will handle this, let me show you in the code. We will have to output the number of combination which can be formed. As you can see in this, there could be 3 combination can be formed, 2 26, 22 6 and 2 2 6. Okay, so 3 different kind of alpha strings can form through it. Okay, so we have to do it. Let's write the code. N is equal to size, then vector int dp and plus 1 0. Okay, then dp base case will be 1 and dp at 1. Whoa. So if s at 0 index is not equal to 0, then what? It will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. If s at 0 index is not 1, then it will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. Okay, for loop int I is equal to 2, then I is less than equal to n, and I increment. Then if si minus 1 is not equal to 0, then dpi minus 1. Index 1 dp value will be what? Added to the dp at index 1, index 2. Okay, something like it. Then int for 2 digits si minus 2, then I minus 1 minus 0. Then if hyphen 0, 2 digit is greater than equal to 10, and then 2 digits is less than equal to 26 under the ABCD alphabet, and dp I plus is equal to dp I minus 2. Okay, then return dp and okay, run this code. There is an issue in the code. Okay, yeah, so the code is working, beating almost 67%. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt in the code, please write down in the comment section. I will be very happy to reply. Thank you for watching. See you.